Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to review number 1 humidifier for babies. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our product is Honeywell Cool Mist Humidifier. During cold and flu season, when allergies kick in, or the air is simply just dry, you can rely on the Honeywell Cool Mist Humidifier. Honeywell humidifiers for bedroom, kids' room and beyond add necessary moisture to the air and help ensure proper humidity levels in your home. Indoor humidity levels between 40 to 60% can help relieve cough and congestion, keep throat and nasal passages hydrated, temporarily relieve dry air discomfort, protect furniture, reduce static electricity and even keep plants healthier. This cool mist humidifier is ideal for medium rooms. It provides soothing, invisible moisture to relieve dry air discomforts, and features 3-speed settings to adjust moisture output and sound level. The wicking filter captures minerals from the water, helping to prevent white dust. Plus, it features a wide water tank opening for easy fill and clean. For best performance, use only a genuine Honeywell humidifier filter. Compatible humidifier filter replacements are not guaranteed to offer the same performance or efficiency.